Hi guys, today we're going on an adventure. We're heading out for our first time family camping overnight. We're going to Twin Knobs and we're all pretty excited. Let's see, can you see? There's Charlie. Hey Charlie. Yeah. We're jam-packed in here. There's Josie. And let's see, can you see Bruce? There's our faithful leader. Let's go. Ready for an adventure. There's our heart tree. We see it every time we go on vacation. So Kyle, why did we decide on Twin Knobs?
Well,
Twin Knobs or Twin Knob?
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Jack's Creek.
how can you have twin knob?
I don't know. Okay.
It's pretty nail.
Just one.
You got twin, just one knob. I think it's Twin Knobs,
Yeah.
but it could be Twin Knob. It's Kentucky. We do things weird. Some of our good friends, David and Amy, just finished doing a camping trip, several day camping trip down at Twin Knobs. And a co-worker where I work suggested this place. She might even be there this weekend. I believe 2 other people mentioned this within the last 2-3 weeks. So it just seemed kind of like everyone's going there. So I figured we needed to go there too. So yeah, we have the friends coming through. We have friends coming through, and it's supposed to rain until around 4 o'clock. Off and on, just showers.
Thank you, girl. What do you have in your Yeti?
The peach tea that was left over back at home. This is my uranium from my DeLorean Back to the Future car.
That's what it looks like.
85 miles per hour, or 88? I think 80. I think it's 88. 86?
84?
Or did they go back to 80? No, it was 85. It's 85 when... No.
Look at those sweet girls. So we stopped to get some gas, and it started raining a little, but I think this will be the last of the rain, Josie. She's in her own world right now. Oh, I hate it when they do that. I got one of these for you guys too. Very stylish. This so that we could park, I guess. Look at that. It's 3:01 p.m. She passed out.
Do you think we'll be okay with it? Because if anything, my dad's gonna drop you off when we go back to work.
Bruce is on the phone with his friends. Ah, teenagers. You took a rest? Look who's awake. Aw, you feel good?
Those Twin Knobs over there.
I don't know. Yeah, we go around this little lake. There we are.
No, it's our first time.
What is it, babe?
How do I get stuff into the campsite?
We parked right at the, like, see that right there with that tent and that car there?
Oh, I see. Okay, that's cool.
There's two.
That makes a lot of sense why we bring so much stuff.
It's two. That's our campsite. This is our campsite. So we parked the van right there. We were right off the entrance. Come on out, Charlie, unbuckle. Little picnic table. Two of these things. These are nice. Little fire pit. Ah. And, it's a nice little like wooded area where kids can play. Let me see. What do you think, Charlie? Good. See that pretty sky. It's not really raining right now, but it feels like it is every once in a while when it gets windy and the leftover raindrops fall out of the trees. Sorry. What nut did you find?
Try finding the top and I'm looking for the bottom.
Oh boy.
I'm like, take it.
You want to keep that?
Okay, you look for the bottom, I look for the tops. We can still keep them.
There's tent number 1.
Yay!
Yay.
This happened to me many times.
Yeah, let's get a Band-Aid.
Can you get it?
All right, let's see. We got all that dirt off. This is some
Hope it doesn't.
antibiotic ointment. Nope, it should just keep you from getting, it's just like the stuff I have at home.
Yeah, I know. It tickles. I know.
Oh, you blow on it. Go.
I don't like
That
when
makes it feel better. No, you don't like that?
tickles.
Oh, okay.
That might be just something else.
Just a little too.
I don't see anything.
I'm obviously seeing it. I am
You're afraid she's gonna touch it?
Yeah.
9 steaks.
There you go.
You wanna
Okay.
play with me? Yeah, it kind of blends in really well in the
Yeah.
camera.
Yeah.
So,
You never know.
ornament right here.
Yeah, that's okay.
Charlie, what do you
You thirsty?
think?
Uh-huh. You like your little chair? So we got our little chair set up around our fire pit.
We're gonna make a fire.
And we are gonna make a fire.
Oh!
Gonna make a fire.
Oh. Bless you. We're gonna go find the bathroom. Me and Charliekins.
I got custard. I got
It's just right up here. Okay, so look at this. So that right there is the entrance to our little campsite. So we just walk up this little path, the road, and then that little sidewalk right there is the walkway. Well, I'll show you. Come on, Charlie. There's the way to the potty. And then this is the shower. Alright. Oh. Urinal and a trash can. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. There's the toilet. Got some hooks. There's the shower. A little skylight up there, so it's not dark in here today. And then the sink and a hand dryer. Well, it's not super luxurious, but it's everything you need, I guess.
And now you're thinking.
I'm just glad to have running water. Back to the campsite, and here's the water. Water, so you can come over here and get water. Can't really tell what that's a picture of. But yeah, just turn on and fill up your bucket or whatever.
They got a worm. I need a worm. A worm.
Oh, a worm. Let me see.
I want to keep it.
Let me see. You're moving it too fast. Oh yeah, look at that.
Can I keep it?
Where are you gonna keep it?
At a big clubhouse.
At the bird clubhouse?
Yeah.
We're going on a worm hunt. So Bruce, what do you think about camping? This is the work part. The first, it takes a while to set up, and then you start having fun. So this big tent is where Kyle and the girls will sleep. And Kyle has dubbed it Old Key West, which is a Disney resort. They're still working. And then this tent is where Bruce and I will sleep. And Bruce has dubbed it Epcot. Epcot. So, yay. Yes? Let's say, welcome to my crib. It's not mine. Look at that. All right, that's Old Key West. Let's go see Charlie's just relaxing. Daddy's organizing. I think there was a Josie over here being a cutie pie. So this is Epcot. Oh yeah, plenty of room in here. Nice. You like it? I do.
I like it more.
Well, good.
movie. Please check it.
So what do you think? You think maybe he's what?
Maybe him not sick. Maybe him wants a mom.
You think that worm wants his mommy?
Yeah.
Aww. Maybe his mommy's just in the ground waiting for him to come home.
Put it back in the ground. I need a worm. He can't go back to her mom.
Yeah, Josie's gonna take him back to his mommy. Bruce is in the tents blowing up mattresses. I'm watching the girls, which means I'm just sitting here while the guys do all the work. I kind of feel guilty, but not really.
I want some more chips. More chips, please.
What I got?
I love baby.
So sweet.
I'm just pretending this is money.
Oh, all the acorn tops. So she gave me some too. So I can buy some, like an Arctic fox, right? Was that one of the things I could buy?
Desert.
A desert fox.
Sorry, my bad.
And a puppy.
Or a puppy, or a kitten. Look at that. Brushing their hair. I got those little toys at Walmart this morning before we left, just to have something in case we needed a little distraction for a minute. They were on clearance for $2 each, so that was a pretty good deal. Also got something else that I got for 75 cents each for later if we need it.